What's your name?
Okay, my name is Ingrid Catherine Vargas.
How do you spell your family name?
My family last name is spelled Varrgax.
Where are you from?
I am from Inspiration of Santuario.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
I study at the moment.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
Okay, are you learning want to learn in English?
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
Enjoy my free time traveling with my family.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
Listening to music and watching series in English.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
Okay, I would love to have the ability to be very passionate on how with strategies to elicit. Okay, thank you. Suffer level B1 71 confident. The more parts you are on, the more confident Sadie can be able to English level. Click the button below to take the next part. Okay, thank you.